Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. So tonight we're gonna work on this another majorette. It's gonna be this 4x4 Toyota. I think all this week we're gonna work on majorette because I have few of them. So yeah, looks like it's all there. Suspension on this side is a bit broken, but we're gonna fix it once we open it. Otherwise it's all there. I think the windows will come up nice once they are clean. And yeah, we're gonna just paint it. And yeah, nothing else, guys. So let me open it, put in the stripper, start to work on it, and I'll come back with the final product, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye for now. Hello. So here we are with our final product on our 4x4 Toyota. This is what we end up with. I did it in matte black. A little bit of details onto the wheels, door handles, clean and polish the screen, just front a little bit of details, you know, the bonnet latches and stuff, and that's it, nothing else. Otherwise, as I said, it was all there. So yeah, hope you like it, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, give us a thumbs up and come back for more videos. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.